Let's learn the names of birds. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is a parrot. Owl. This is an owl. Owl. This is an owl. Bat. This is a bat. Bat. This is a bat. Crow. This is a crow. Crow. This is a crow. Seagull. This is a seagull. Seagull. This is a seagull. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle. This is an eagle. Rooster. This is a rooster. Rooster. This is a rooster. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Dove. This is a dove. Dove. This is a dove. Robin. This is a robin. Robin. This is a robin. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher.